tutorial on how to do a sharp cut crease like this. And this.
Hi Beshies! So dahil sarado ang shop ni Sisi today, ayan medyo marami akong time. So samahan nyo akong mag-makeup. To be honest, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-cut crease eyeshadow. So today, tatry ko siya. Following the tutorial of my favorite beauty content creator, Dexter Moncal. So, I'm going to make a full face makeup. So, ayan, nakapag-primer na ako, foundation, and right now, ginagawa ko yung aking eyebrows. For my eyeshadow, I will be using my LA Girl Nude Palette. So, yung sa eyeshadow, sinundan ko rin yung tutorial ni Miss Dexter Moncal.
White cut crease or a shimmery cut.
So, ayan naman yung kanyang tutorial sa cut crease eyeshadow. Ito talaga yung matagal na gusto ko nang matutunan. So, wag nyo ako i-judge. Ayan, hindi pa ako magaling mag-cut crease. But so far, so good. I think okay naman for my first time. So, nag-curl lang ako ng lashes and nag-apply ako ng eyeliner. And then, maglalagay ako ng false lashes. So, ito yung napili kong lashes. So, ayan na yung itsura ng aking eyes after maglagay ng lashes. Magmamaskara lang ako. And tapos na tayo sa eyeshadow. Ayan ang aking first time cut crease. So, tatapusin ko lang yung buong makeup ko. Ayan, mag-contour tayo. So, for the blush on, I will be using this Lip and Cheek Lace Stain. Contour my nose as well para lalong tumango. Everbelena Crease Matte Liquid Lipstick for my lips. This is in the shade Lucky. Pack na yung eyeshadow natin, so I go for nude lipstick. Powder using Dazzle Me Pressed Foundation. Then, aayusin ko lang yung aking hair. And here is our final look. O, Pak, sino ka dyan, Beshi? O, diba, nagmamaganda na naman ang spell nyo. And, ayan, yung aking cut crease eyeshadow. Thank you sa aking favorite beauty content creator for the tutorial. I know this isn't perfect, but not bad.